Hello guys. Welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to add social icons to a WordPress website's header and footer, having a block theme. On this website, this is the header. And this is the footer. We will add social icons in these two sections. Let's get started. First, click on the Edit site. This will get you to the site editor. Here you can customize your whole site. Now click on the header. This is your navigation panel. We will add the social icons after the navigation panel, so click on the navigation panel and press enter. Here it comes another section. Click on the plus icon. Now search for the social icons. Again click on the plus icon and search for your desired social site whose icon you want to show on the site. Click on the icon and put your URL of the social site. To add more icons, do the same. You can arrange the icons and even sections with these dots. Now come to the footer section. In the footer, these all are inside the columns, so we will create a column and put the social icons in it. To create the column, click on the previous column and click on the plus icon. Search columns. Choose one column. Make a heading for the column. Drag the column and drop it in the place where you want to put it. Now search social icon. Search the social sites that you want to show and link the URLs respectively. After putting all social icons, save the customization. Now go to your site. You can see the social icons have been published on the site on both header and footer. In this tutorial, I have used the Blur theme. It is free and also compatible with full site editing. For more information, check the description. If you find the video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.